Hi everyone. Today I'm going to talk about really simple and easy ways to increase your metabolism according to Ayurveda. Now, according to Ayurveda, the digestive power or the Jatharagni in the stomach is basically proportional to the rays of the sun, meaning that when the rays of the sun are highest in the day is exactly the time when the digestive Agni or digestive power of the body is highest in the day. Now, what do we infer from this? We infer that the heaviest meal or the most important meal of the day should be finished by the afternoon when your digestive power is really, really high. It's exactly the reason why a lot of people might have told you that you should have a lighter dinner in the evening, precisely because our metabolism or our digestive power of the body is at its lowest at that point of time. This brings us to the first and the most important thing to increase your metabolism is basically to eat according to the nature. Meaning that you should have, let's say if you're having 3 meals, then you should have your heaviest meal at around 12 or 1 o'clock in the afternoon, precisely because that's the time when your Jatharagni or digestive power is at the highest. This also brings us to the fact that you should definitely not have anything after 6:30, 7 o'clock in the evening. Now, a lot of people have issues with not wanting to eat after 6:30 precisely because they're not really into that habit and they have sleeping habits of maybe sleeping around 11 o'clock or 12 o'clock in the night. For people like that, we definitely suggest that you can finish your carbs maybe by 6 and 6:30 and then have something in the late night, let's say some dry fruit or haldi ka doodh. Now, those are the kind of things that you could sort of have if you are feeling hungry at that point of time. The second important thing to know here is that in ancient times typically people used to have 2 to 3 meals a day and not snack in between the day. What the problem with today's world is that people are snacking all the time, they're binging all the time, so the body doesn't get its rest to sort of do other functions of the body. Let's say it's a tissue wear and tear, it's a tissue repair that the body needs to do. Now, because all of that is not happening, the Jatharagni or the digestive fire is going to go down eventually. Now, a good way is to sort of not binge or not eat in between the meals. If you're having 3 meals, try to stick to them without sort of eating a lot of things at that point of time. The third thing is not having water from the refrigerator, not reheating food again and again from the refrigerator, especially if you're doing it in the microwave, primarily because the food is not fresh, because the food has reached that temperature again and again that destroys its ingredients. Also, the fact that the moment you are using microwaves on the food, the nutrients are going to get lost. So try to eat fresh. It's going to keep your metabolism high over a period of time. The fourth thing is basically using some spices or kitchen ingredients that you could use daily and still see its effects. In older times people used to practice 2 things. One is having ginger tea after every meal. A lot of them would actually have ginger tea with coriander seeds boiled in them. You could have that, or you can have ginger with some jaggery after every meal for good digestion. Another good tip is to start your day with something alkaline, let's say some lemon water, followed by some seasonal fruit, and not keeping your stomach empty for a longer period of time. Now, that's also going to enhance the metabolism of your body. So those were the 4 things that we thought that we should mention, just those common sense things that you could do every day to enhance your metabolism. Thank you.